Mary, did you know that your baby boy would one day...
Hi guys, hi, welcome back to my channel. It's Alice Walker here from Alicewalker.london. Welcome to my new subscribers and thank you very much for coming back, my old subscribers. Today we're going to be doing the holiday makeup looks. They're going to be popping.
Okay.
Now that Christmas is coming, we are in a holiday season, and so I've decided to do a holiday look. This look is actually the GLAM company do makeup look. So if you've got a company do coming up, you've got a company party coming up and you want to look really glammed up, I start with all the shimmers and all the warm colors because like I said, it's holiday season. It's all about glitter, it's all about shimmers, it's all about shiny, and I am so excited. Of all the seasons, Christmas is my favorite season. This is the look we're going to be doing today. If you're interested in seeing how I created this look, please keep watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and can be a part of my YouTube family. Thank you guys. We're going to be using this palette again today. We're going to be using this side. We don't want a perfect crease, so I'm gonna leave it like that. Doing shimmer, 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 shimmer. So these two, the gold and the rose gold here. We're actually going to go over with this shimmer, this one there. Ooh, OMG. This color is just so gorgeous. Why not? Why not? It's a festive period. It is a festive. It's festive. This gold here is the metallic gold here. The inner corner, we're going to be going with a lighter color. So we're going to be going with this one, because I want it to stand out even more. We're going to be going in the corner with this one here, or should we go for the darker one? I think we'll go for the darker one in the corner, this one there. For the eyeliner, we are using L'Oreal Paris, the Perfect Slim, and it's in the color black. Going to be using this eyelashes. It's very old, so I haven't actually got the box with me, and it was from Whiplash. Since it's a company duo, you know, it's not too dramatic, but it's still enough drama. That's why we're going for this lash today. You know, when you're going for your company duo, you want a little bit of drama, but not too drama. Not too much. Face is all color corrected and I've got my primer on already, so now we're going to go straight in with the foundation. So it's the same foundation, so it's Born This Way in the color Chai. We're going to top it up with NARS. There's one there. I'm going to leave all the names in the description box below. My face is just breaking. Put a lot, you know, like I said, we extra. Using the concealer from e.l.f. 16-hour Camo Concealer in the color Deep Chestnut. I'm going to be contouring my face with this foundation stick from L'Oreal.